you all. Thank you so much for tuning in this morning.
Thank you.
Bulbenak to all the VTFM listeners tuning in this morning from Fiji,
top to
the
bottom,
country,
right,
and around the world.
Right.
Yeah.
Bulbenak to those tuning in from top, from tuning in from the bottom, from the left, and from the right, and the north, south, east, and west. A very good morning. It's Monday, and yes, it's a nice day.
Yeah.
Very good morning to our Dems Kakai. Hey, Themis, how are you?
Bulbenak, good morning to
Themis.
Themis ng bolwe kata-kata. Good morning everyone. It's Monday.
Okay.
Thank you very much Monday. Thank you very much Sunday. And every time we are fortunate enough that we are coming to another day.
Of course.
It's the 24th of the March of the 2025 this morning.
First of all, we say good morning to Melina Adelewu. Namolu sa turanganait.
Right.
Sabat sumay Vini na Iveli and Benaka. And Naburu Vitoka na matagdi ko awi on YouTube.
Yes, we are on YouTube channel. Something wrong with our TikTok now, but we are on YouTube. For those who are tuning in, subscribe on VTFM YouTube channel so that you can watch the velocity of this Ouch Palangi show in this wonderful morning.
Kasem takape and you want to go blessed day everyone.
Right.
Lu bebiti menepesi berbura na buring karabita kata-kata.
Of course,
there sa mo Demas.
Demas members ni wrong.
That's how he introduced himself in the Dendangamadeng. When I introduced myself, and the tutua introduced himself, Makeli Rendua, and he said, Bulbenak, gonna menentukan Themis.
I'm Demis.
Oh, Demis.
I'm Demis.
I thought you tangle your mouth.
Orang nama dong kita na timin Devo.
I saw him.
Devo member dilu. It's a good day.
Terang apa tutup?
To the coach and the manager of the
Devo.
Tambandamu.
Oh, Tambandamu.
Salai Junior Mbolailai.
Right.
Thank you very much for well supporting and leadership throughout the 3 days of the tournament.
When he saw me, he said, "Taman ng Korea." I know. Whoa, this one fell from us against Konkona. And I look like this. I was taking the video. Oh, yes again.
Okay. Then Devo Babas, how many tournaments they won?
They are now they're put a record.
Yeah.
For Fiji, to all the Fijian clubs here in Fiji, they won 6 tournaments in one series.
Fiji beat the 7 series.
Right.
This is the Maris is the last
12 series.
No, 12 tournament.
12 tournament.
Right.
They won 6.
6.
Boy. Okay, then Devo Babas, do they come
They
originally.
Sorry. There are only some tournament. They went to some. They don't go. So they won 6.
Right.
So the Devo Babas is from. I asked the coach where this team from. This team was original from Navakasinga in Mbua.
Oh, Miao Sambulare.
So when we call Navakasinga, their motto is like this. And Devo ay and Devo Nganga.
And Devo ay and Devo Nganga.
O tobole o nangaiba ila.
Oi.
Sajena.
So that's coming from the Devo ay and Devo Nganga and Devo Babas.
And Meli
in Burerua, they Devo too. What happened to that Devo?
That Devo is a slippery when wet. So they are based in Western. This team, so it's a well-known club now. So people from different province, they come in and join.
So it's a mixed vegetable now.
Yeah, it's a mix.
They took away $20,000.
Boy.
10 grand for the series. 10 grand for the mother sevens. Marist.
If you want to play sevens, train hard. Bosa tarbikan Andre.
Right.
May makatigro to na durbo na mata team in Devo.
Okay. Still remember the first time they climb up. They lose. Sometimes they lose on the quarter. Sometimes they lose on the pool game.
They never give up.
They never give up.
They keep on trying.
Now you can see the result.
Right.
To us a new team, we are still built up even though words are coming from the back, from our relatives. No, you go and plant cassava. No, this is a source of income too. Nowadays, you can go, train hard. There's another team too that took my Tarasarawali munanunguri zero to na team.
Which team?
The Nakabu team.
Oh,
Nakabu, It's very build up, very fast building up.
There's one saying, there's always say them bit of one Nakabu.
Beautiful.
Ndaumbula bila kaye.
Okay,
strong team,
And another fellas want to join to the Devo teams.
Who's?
Richa Valembera.
Oh, the what you call the media for the Naitasiri Rugby Union.
Right.
Also present there. And after that, myself and Demis, our pass, we can go anywhere. We take the picture here. We even can go up the grandstand.
Right.
And then we meet the fella, and we said, hey, we're going up to the grandstand now. And he said, okay, because myself the small chicken.
Deus tamai asa junior right so na tumalola na matag ko nagyang nimburi waira
right arna
kay nagyang ni namya na televo may shertan to kariki do ano bina kunta ko na guria.
Say good morning to Tambula Bolas.
Hey,
Takolabo you.
Thank you very much for joining this one of Paula Guetti. Come.
Iceman.
Roger Berembasang, Iceman too there. And also the boys. Who's the fella from Nitasil?
Kini William Miranda Beta. He's an ex-VG rep.
Yeah.
Right, I told him. Oh, you dangerous fella when you always play before. You always do the punching, eh? And said, no, something like that. This time no punching because a lot of camera there.
Karate Bruce Lee. Passione Macasiale, thank you very much for joining this one. One day, they was preparing for a movement in Laos. So Sakarebe was being part of the boating.
Okay.
Right. So they went for the boating.
For the trip. Right.
When they are tripping, when they went in there, one fella from Suba was going first.
Oi.
Liu. So he know how to use the boxing club. Mga takilaw ko ng ganling.
Right.
So when they was in there, 1 week before Sakarebe reached the land, they was there, they teaching the youth how to do the punching. So they doing the spy. So everybody coming because they knew this one they can teach them for self-defense. If you don't know, if you don't learn how to do this, please come forward. Learn this.
Fast forward
go to screen. So they was there. So they coming together as a whole. So they doing the punching. The spa. They doing the spa. So as soon as they heard the story, bis nga nandrung iwalu, belum naga.
Blood test.
And after that, they had the story that Sakarebe is in the boat. They're coming to the step the sand. Sakele may batininu kunawanga.
Stepping stone
na butu-butu kata-kata. So they reach land. Okay, the children, they want to see how experienced, how expert their coach is.
Their teacher.
Their Tua. So Tua, please, can you challenge them? One demo for for practical. Every study, every education is a practical. So they went. They went and they box.
Where?
In the sand.
Oh, in Batini Sawana.
Batini Nuku. So they hands to hand. They put the master. And Sakarebe, we know Sakarebe. The time in his prime.
Right.
So they do. And first of all, Sangay binakatong kasinibuli. He wants to show the kids how to draw the hand. By the way they talk, they teach them. And how? He put 3.
Because he is the expert.
He put 3 jabs. 3 combination. One left, one right, one upper.
Right. Combination binaka.
Combination.
3 to the left, 3 to the right. 3 to the left.
3 to the left.
3 to the right.
3 to the right.
And 3 to the what?
One upper. One upper. All miss.
To Sakarebe.
Wakan tua.
Ini ni bulida. Ovengori.
Turang matakal no nga una po inte na inte me to mi batu.
Kala nga.
But they don't want the teacher.
Remember? Listen.
Put
1, 2, 3, jauh. Dala.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, jauh. Dala. Kalobe. No kalobe. And he put 1 on the esophagus. Ngalang-ngalang. On the chin.
In the chin. On the chin.
On the chin. One on the chin. Fala, down.
Gengi.
Mengi ni daw iba durong.
Pula lang ano na nuku.
Pula na ulo na nuku. The head on the cell. Tiptoe ko rin na bus. They jauh.
Iya. Apa politik bin?
He was sleeping like 1 minute on the same sleeping.
Gigi serga.
Enggengi, sarut mengengi.
Iya.
Bisa tahu nama tahu.
Bahkan 2.
Jauh. He sleeping like this. He wake up.
Dreaming.
He see all the student. They look at them. And they ask. And tapi lengkap.
What happened?
Tua, semberangoka. You know children?
Yeah.
I already teach you how to throw.
Yeah.
How to throw.
Yeah.
This is how we relax. Rangone nggak usah babuli na kene kebuni na kene kolo-kolo.
Iya.
Kai ya kene koto-koto. Sana na riba, yana bilang na weka. Pinawala usara.
Right.
Kau usah babuli na kene kebuni rangone ya kene kolo-kolo. Iya kai ya kene koto-koto. Pinawala punjas celebrating ng kies.
Benaka.
Lagi kira-kira tua biar nangone. Kira-kira tuh bikin betul aku mau mouth to mouth ya.
Mouth to mouth men, jangan nambah.
Wait, ba. Dan juga mayo to sama turang. May
Naik kambola melotok.
Ano benar.
Sakaraya, gotal nga sakaraya.
Iya.
Oh, kasi.
This is how we relax.
Iya, this is how we relax.
Kia bosa.
Iya.
Baru dia menaka bilas dia turang tahu.
Iya.
Joshua Rokoti Navu. Bulo menaka balik besar. Nanu masyata karena live video go, namu page.
Already warusi, already atukuru mundo.
Iya.
Ano mo sa Rafi per award sa missing na ramen punch. Obiso. Tamay sa Junia, binabaliw. Iya.
Bina mulai besar no dita lo legalek kape tingu butuh kira nonton mata uning karabi tabi go.
Dor benaka?
Era bina nambuti ni may serua.
Right.
Ay no koi.
Iya, koloni ralu.
Aung ginoka.
Right. Tutua.
Bis gay nama kana talo bari na talo ni singa boroi gay nama kana dan nga mo di nakabi.
Arkales sa kawakita kau ditambua miau bulare. Mulai besar sama boleh main na roro ni gua.
Kini timo kola. Iya. Mulai besar abi toka dia nama taga diko.
Na bale bro.
Kalau begitu kemudian kanta kayak dono nom hat.
Inan di bakaro kumbula umbua. Bambol tatungai ni kuai vale na NGO mai Ngilandi na Think Pacific.
Bulan.
Ngko mai Ngilandi. Iya nanti
bakaro. Yo
bakaro.
sambol re good morning to you all.
Right.
Nonton hat pati kan like pati kan share. And the video lagi nonton aus palang show.
Iya.
Matak ni suatu kira sama cuma salika kabura kan BTFM.
Iya.
Go kuru mundo.
Mika ngalom bulo.